Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Doodle and signing in. Use your Google or email account so responses sync later. Create a clear title and short description so invitees know the purpose. Then pick the date range and add 2-6 realistic time options per day. Too many choices reduce responses. Once done, select whether people pick single or multiple slots and enable required fields. These first actions structure your poll and save time when inviting attendees. Now configure advanced settings to avoid confusion. Choose Basic for group consensus, Hidden if you need anonymity, or one for individual meetings. Make sure to enable time zone detection so global participants see correct slots, and limit selections per person if you need one final time. Add a deadline to create urgency. Once configured, copy the share link or enter emails directly. This guarantees attendance clarity and reduces back and forth. Finish by reviewing responses and choosing the slot with the broadest availability. Doodle highlights the best option so you don't guess. Confirm and export the event to Google or Outlook, then send a final notification so calendars update. If conflicts arise, reopen the poll or propose one alternate time and message key attendees directly. This prevents endless revisions. Finally, make sure attendees accepted calendar invites. If someone misses it, follow up personally to secure commitment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.